Check out this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 35,000 miles on the, you'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.